you doing out here on a fucking Tuesday?
Copping shoes. Copping shoes. That's
How come you're not in school, dude?
what?
How come you're not in school?
Fuck school.
Let's go. Light. Yeah. Anyway, light drip today. Look at it. Check it. Check it. Guys, I know I'm gonna play some fucking mess. Don't judge. Anyways, let's go to fucking Haven, bruh.
Hey bro, you ready, right?
Yo, what's up? Hey, how long you been waiting for?
I know the first guy came here at 1 p.m.
After 1 p.m. What do you mean 1 p.m? Today?
No,
yesterday.
Yesterday. After, yeah.
Yo, what's fucked is that I thought I was gonna be like the 10th person in line. Dude, somebody camped out. 1:30 yesterday.
And by like 3 there
Monday?
was like 70 people already.
Yo, is that what you guys do?
Yeah.
That's what you do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But I was just gonna say.
Same as
Don't
the
you
Travis
motherfuckers got jobs, man? Fuck.
You got job.
This is it.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yo, this is my homie Mark. As always. You know, we're not waiting here, man. Fuck this shit.
You go like all the way around the corner?
Like you gonna
from the back?
What's up, man? How long you guys been here for?
Same as them, like 2. I got 2 people sitting for me too.
Is it worth it waiting in line for
I think
24, more than 24 hours?
just 2 and me.
And you, so 3. So you're gonna get 6 out of 300? How much is a pair?
4 to 450, and retail is 235 after tax.
So about 170 bucks.
Yeah,
profit.
yeah, around there. Depends,
How
man.
much?
Most likely, I'll basically like after paying them, I'll break even on one of the pairs, and then the profit from the other pair will be profit. So like, I don't know. Depends where prices go. Probably like 150 each person I'll make after selling. So 300 for them plus whatever I make off my pairs, pretty much.
So you don't keep any.
I'm not for this release. It's not my thing. Like,
This guy's always here.
No, I'm not.
You're always at the fucking lineup. Because I don't really line up, but I've seen your face on every fucking vlog that I've made recently. Are you keeping your pair or are you selling it?
This one I'm selling. I'm
Both
a fan
pairs?
of I'm sorry?
Both?
Both. I'm a fan of SBs.
Huh?
I'm a fan of SBs. So, not this one
What
today.
the fuck are you wearing then? Are you a reseller or are you like a collector?
Half.
Huh? How many pairs do you have in your collection? How many pairs do you rotate in?
I'll say somewhere between 20 pairs. 20?
20? How often do you resell?
How often do I resell? Very often.
Alright, we're here with my homie Mark, aka 604 Souls. What's
going on?
What is up with all these people lining up for the Sacais, and how much are you gonna pay them out for?
It's a lot of people, more people than I anticipated. Gonna try to snag maybe an 8, 8.5, 9, couple pairs. Apparently they're allowed to buy white and black, so there should be about
That's what I
200 pairs.
Mark, was I wrong? I was totally wrong to come here at 9 o'clock thinking that I was gonna...
You gotta be earlier, bro. If
I
I
was
like
gonna
really
get a
wanted,
pair.
if I really wanted to cop it, and it was, well, I do really want to cop it.
But you wanna resell it. But
Yeah,
then
if I wanted to resell it, I would be here at like the crack of dawn, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Gotta put in the hours.
But
it's kind of just for the toe at this point.
oh, you just wanna buy it for the
Yeah, I just want to
toe.
buy like a 9.5 or 10. But if someone offers me like an 8 to 9.5, I won't say no.
Okay.
I'm not really going to resell though. More so for the toe.
You're
Because you gotta wear your shoes.
Okay. This
Like
like
some-
first releases that this dude is not buying to resell.
Jeez.
I'm not lying.
Throwing me under the bus.
All right, like this is actually for the toe mark.
Yes, sir. Black.
Are you serious?
Black 10, maybe 10.5. They fit like hella tight.
Yo, no. Yo, hold on. I like this fucking weird shit. gonna cut it up?
No, I don't.
No? That's why you need 2 pairs. Yo, make it a habit on buying 2 pairs of nice shit. So you can cut the fuck out of that.
Off-white shoelaces in my normal Jordan 1s.
These are by far the best off-white other than the Chicago.
Retail touch.
Alright, that's what come on.
Look at these two.
Where?
Yo, did you guys plan this shit out or what?
You probably texted me, right?
What the fuck? Yo, let's line up together and wear the same shit. And what size are you going for?
Not sure. I'll see. Probably 9. Because I want a pair for my brother. 1 pair for him.
Oh, really? And then maybe.
Because he's been bugging me all the time. Like, yo, get me a pair, man. White
So
pair.
maybe buy one and then
And
resell
then
the
resell
other one, pay for the rest.
Yeah, yeah, there you go.
I like that. God, that's how I used to do it. You know? Run, motherfuckers, run. Bro, in regards of how the lineup is out here in Vancouver, at least, it's very civilized. You know, not a lot of rowdy shit going on. How old are you, bro?
20.
20?
Yeah.
You look young as fuck. That's why I asked. How long you been here for?
I've been here since 9:30. I had a friend covered for me.
9:30 p.m.
PM, yeah. My friend covered from 4.
Does your parents know you're out here?
Yeah?
Okay. You still live at home, I'm pretty sure.
No, I'm studying here. I'm a student.
Oh, you're a student.
Yeah.
Okay, so you live out here.
International student, yeah.
Okay, fuck. So are you gonna keep it, or are you gonna resell it?
I'm getting it for myself. This
You
one.
get it?
Yeah.
Just one pair?
No, both of them.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Okay, I like it. Which one do you like better, though?
I want to wear them together, black and white.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, ballsy. Ballsy.
Loud,
All right.
loud.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Man. I gotta check this shit out.
You're bastards.
All right, man, chill out. Right. We are in the middle of Columbia and East Hastings. The lineup is here. To those people that know where the fuck Haven is, it's around the motherfucking corner to the left, and then some. And as the last person in line, good luck, bro.
Oh, you know what? It's okay. I got one already. I think one.
Okay. Because you know this is a long ass lineup, right?
Yeah, I just live around the corner. So.
There's at least fucking 200, man.
Yeah, I just kind of like roughly 170.
The fuck? No. So good luck. Hopefully you get a pair. And these two as well. Alright, so we'll go and check this shit out. Alright. Alright, man. You have a good one. And the first pair is out. There he is. What size did you get? 8.5, money size.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can I see it? Can you open up the box? I'll hold this shit for you. I'll hold this shit for you. Open up the box. Yo. Sick. Sick, man. So we got the 8.5.
You got 8.5? 2.5.
Yo, how much is the retail? 210?
235. Yeah.
235 after tax?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah.
You keeping it?
It's only for resale. I keep one for my daughter. I keep one for my daughter and the other one is for
Hey, at least it's paying for the other one, right?
Yep.
I gotta give it up.
Break
So which
even.
pair are you keeping though? The white one?
The white one.
Nice. Yo, the black one? Yeah, that can go.
Yeah. Pop them out.
That can go.
Pretty sure.
Finally got it. Happy?
Yeah.
What size do you get, bro?
All size 9. For the toe. Have a good day, guys.
Are you selling them? 8.5.
This guy's only 15. Yeah.
Plug.604 on Instagram. And then my
also,
brother.
That's his big brother right there. That's jokes, guys. This is a joke.
Resell life.
Resell is life, but online schooling is life too. You gotta finish fucking education before you do shit. All right.
So, how do they shoot?
All right. I'm back from the little fucking whole day trip. Oh, hold on. Let me show you guys what I got to. bro. Well, fucking Harmony Donuts once again. You know, I gotta have the munchies, bro. The fuck. But anyways, guys, what I have here are, I'm gonna have a review for you guys for this. Like, you know what it is, you know. And then I'm gonna do a review on these as well. Shout out to Under Armour Canada for sending this over. Another pair of curries, I guess. I'm gonna do a review of full design. Ooh, these are sick! Damn, this is nice. Yo, this is nice. Yo, I'm gonna do a full review on these, like unboxing and shit too. I'll show you guys what this is. Like the colorways, like the little details that they have on there. Just a little sneak peek that I had. Overall, feeling it. So today I wanted to go pick up maybe, you know, a set, those pair of Sacai's from my homie Henry, but unfortunately I wasn't expecting the lineup to be that big, and apparently they had so many sizes. But when I got there, they stopped handing out tickets and shit like that, and I kind of like, I had a feeling that I could have stayed there longer and I might have gotten a chance to get my size. I don't know, maybe. But honestly, I didn't like the whole situation right after they handed out all the tickets, because right after that I heard that there's still so many pairs after the tickets was handed out. Like, yo guys, you could have at least, like, the guys at Haven, it was very fucking civilized for first come first serve type of shit. And honestly, that's why I wanted to go there. I wanted to show you guys exactly how Canadians do it out here. You know, like, we're not as rowdy as guys in Toronto. I've heard all the fucking stories from my buddies out there, how they do first come first serve, and it's just a fucking circus basically. Out here we're very civilized. I don't know what it is. Maybe because we don't want, you know, some of these guys that just want to, you know, get in there, you know, like put in their time and effort, put in their time and work, and then get their shit, right? Like, out of respect to everybody else, and I fuck with that, you know. In terms of waiting for a fucking almost 24 hours for a pair of Sacai waffles, that's very plain looking. To me personally, it's not worth it. Honestly, I don't know what it is that people found this, like, you know, maybe it's just a resell. Like, there's money to be made, and that's why people gravitated to lining up for hours for a whole full day to make like $300, $400 maybe. I don't know. It is what it is, man. Everybody has a different hustle. I respect each and every one of them, and I respect and I'm truly happy to each and every one that I met there. Yo, to all the people that showed love, and shout out to the guy that came up to me. I'm just gonna say your Instagram name, bro. Like, Zero History. You know, you and I had a back and forth shit, and I truly respected the fact that you came up to me you came out of your way to actually came and said hi to me. I respect that. You know, like, as much as you like to take some shots at me and shit like that, I truly respect that. And to everybody that showed love to me, man, yo, I'll see you guys on the next one, and I'll definitely see you guys more on the streets, bro. Like, I love doing this shit, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys that wanted to be a part of this video. Shout out to the Under Armour fam for giving me another pair of fucking curries, bro. Happy about this, although there's a lot of bullshit happening in my life right now. I'm gonna push through it, do my damn thing. You know, I always push through for all the fucking adversity that I face in my life, and this is just one of those little speed bumps that I gotta go through again. So shout out to everybody that subscribed and showed love, and make sure you follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. Follow the guys at 604 Soul, my homie Mark, And also the little kids, the little hustlers, Plug 604. Follow those two kids. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. And give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And for those of you guys that are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And more content along the way. And thank you for everyone that supported. Until next time guys. Peace.